It is not early at all. I had some breakfast.
Excuse us, ladies and gentlemen.
I don't feel like eating steak today. One thing I've been thinking about recently is this idea I've heard first from Elliot Halls. I'll link him below. It doesn't really matter what you get out of something. What does matter is who you become. Continue asking yourself if the path that you're on right now is leading you to where you want to be. Not financially, not romantically, just as a person. Are you becoming more confident, more loving? Whatever it is that you want to change in yourself, however you want to be or become in the future, if you're not on that path, that's not a good way forward. So let's say your #1 priority right now is to become more confident. But you have this great job working as an engineer or at a bank, and you're just sitting there alone all day, not talking to anyone. Even though you're making bank, it may be time to reconsider. It's just today. Alright, got my pump on.
And that's what we call the pump. It's as satisfying to me as coming is. I'm like getting the feeling of coming in the gym, I'm getting the feeling of coming at home, I'm getting the feeling of coming backstage when I pump up, when I pose out in front of 5,000 people, I get the same feeling. So I'm coming day and night. I mean, it's terrific, right? So, you know, I'm in heaven.
Just off to Starbucks to get some reliable internet so I can do some work. See, the thing is, there's internet here, but I can't have a LAN internet because there's no those sofas with that view. I think I just found my perfect date place. Just so you know, we're not proud of these people there. Those guys do not represent Polish talent at all. All those tools are chocolate. That's cool.